Hi, welcome to Dividing with Mr. Savage and
Elsie.
this is Elsie.
That's Mr. Savage.
And we're going to divide the people who are here today for Hedge School into our dietary groups. So how many people are there here all together?
14.
There are 14 people, and so that's going to be our denominator. And so each of these, the denominator is going to be 14, and we'll have a different numerator. Elsie is going to do the magic work of counting and surveying how many people are gluten-free, dairy-free, and allergy-free. And we'll be back right after this brief musical break. Welcome back. This is dividing into our dietary groups with Elsie and
Mr. Savage.
thank you. So there are 14 people here today for Hedge School, and 14 of the 14 people, all of us, the whole, had lunch. But we had to have different things because of our dietary needs. Elsie, will you please explain?
So, there's 4 people here that can't have gluten, which is like bread and flour and wheat and stuff. And that's 4 out of 14, which can be cut down to 2 out of 7, so 2 sevenths.
2 sevenths.
And then there's 2 dairy-free people, which you can't have like milk and stuff with milk in it. And that's 2 out of 14, which can be cut down into 1 out of 7, which is 1 seventh. And then there are 8 that don't have any food allergies, which is 8 out of 14, which it can be cut down to 4 out of 7, which is 4 sevenths.
4 sevenths. Outstanding. Which one's a denominator?
This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. The 14th and the 7th. Sorry?
The 14ths and the 7ths. Which ones are numerators?
The top one, which is the 4, the 2, the 1, the 8, and the 4.
And which fraction represents the whole? Outstanding. Thank you. Thanks, Morgan. Hi, this is Division with Mr. Savage and Joey. This is Joey.
Hello, and this is Mr. Savage.
Hello. Ready, Joey?
Yeah.
I'm going to write a number here. What number is that?
9.
I'm going to turn it into a fraction. You know what it's called now. It's a 9, but it's under at the bottom of the fraction. Denominator.
Denominator.
Yes, denominator. And if I put a 9 on top, now this 9 is the numerator.
The numerator.
The numerator and the denominator. 9 ninths. That's a whole thing. So let's say, for example, you threw the ball at the roof of the barn and Bravo caught it 9 of 9 times. He would have caught it the whole time, right? How many times of 9?
9.
And what is that fraction?
9 ninths.
9 ninths. What if Bravo only caught the ball 2 times off the roof?
Then it would be
2 ninths. What if he caught it 5 times?
5 ninths.
Excellent. You ready to throw the ball? All right, let's go get Bravo. Who's got the ball? I forgot her name. Let's go get the ball from her. Say cut.
Cut. Joey. That's 3 for 2. Joey. I think that was 2. That's 4 for 2. That was 0.
So that's a 0 bounce?
That's 1. So, Mr. Savage, we have 4 2s, 1 1, and 1 0.
4 2 bounces?
Yep. 1, 0 bounce.
What's that one called? Bravo!
Infinity.
Come!
Ouch. She didn't catch that one.
Okay, we'll call that the remainder.
That was 2 bounces. So now it's 5 for 2, 1 for 0, and 1 for 1. No catch. No bounce.
How many no bounces?
That's 2 no bounces. 1 bounce, 2 no catches, and 5. Okay, so that's another 1 bounce. 2 1 bounces.
Good dog.
Joey, I think that's 9.
We done?
Cut.
Cut. Okay, so Joey threw the ball at the roof how many times?
9.
Okay, and how many times did it bounce? Did Bravo catch the ball? Stay right there. I gotta go. How many times did Bravo catch the ball off of 2 bounces?
5.
And what's that fraction?
5 9.
And how many times did Bravo catch the ball off of 1 bounce off the roof?
Once.
And the fraction is?
1 9.
Trick question? Not a trick question. Honest question. What's the denominator? Point to the numerator. Excellent. And let me get the other. And how many times did Bravo catch the ball when there was no bounce out of the 9 times? No bounce, caught it right off the roof.
Twice.
Twice. So out of 9 times, what is that fraction?
2 9.
2 ninths. Thank you very much, Joey. Say thank you, Mr. Savage.
Thank you, Mr. Savage.
Okay. And is that it? Did you name the numerator, name the denominator? You wrote the fractions? You did a good job. High five. Cut. Hi, this is Division, Dividing Eggs with Jay and Mr. Savage. This is Jay.
This is Mr. Savage.
So how many eggs do we have here, Jay?
15.
15 eggs. What's one way we can divide them?
Groups of 3.
Let's put them in groups of 3. Good. How many groups do we have once we divided them? The 3 into each group. Awesome. What's another way we can divide them? Can we divide them by pink eggs and green eggs? Come here.
Yes, we can. That would be number 5.
And how many total did we have?
15.
There's 15. And now we divided them into 2 different groups. Pink and green. How many groups? Pink.
8.
Can you write that as a fraction? Awesome. And how about green? Can you write that as a fraction?
7. 8. 6, 7.
What's the denominator in each fraction?
15.
Cool. Can you name the 2 numerators?
8 and 7.
Cool. Is there one other way we could divide these eggs? Can we divide them equally between you and me?
Yes.
Okay. You pick an egg and I'll pick an egg until we're done. Is it equal? Is it, how many?
7.
I have 8. Is that equal?
No.
No.
And it can't be equal because this number is odd.
Very smart. That number is odd. What is one way we could make this fair or equal for us?
If we take one and
Can we cut the egg in half?
cut it in half.
No, but maybe we could cook it and share it.
Yeah.
Then it's equal. Alright, so if we cut them in half, would this be a remainder, you think?
Yeah. So it would be 14 remainder.
Alright.
Cool. Should be 7.
Thanks, Jay. You're pretty smart. 25.
Cut.